Some people need an extremely organized plan detailing their days hour by hour. Others just need a simple to-do list. Whatever you choose, it's best to get started as soon as possible. Being a student comes with time management challenges, especially if you have other priorities like a job or a family. If you are taking multiple classes this semester, make sure that you are setting aside a study block for each one. Let's look at an example of some classes I took in college: biochemistry, calculus, sociology, philosophy, and molecular biology. Now, let's list them in order of priority by difficulty or importance. I was a biology major, so I knew bio classes were top priority. Next came calculus, since I found the topic difficult. Last were sociology and philosophy, since they were electives and seemed pretty straightforward. Another key tool I used for effective planning was the class syllabus. The great professor will have assignment due dates and exam dates listed in advance. If this is the case, add them into your calendar on your phone or to your daily planner. If this isn't the case, make sure to record these dates as they are announced during class. Now, you have a general idea of when certain classes should be prioritized over others. It all sounds pretty easy, but the key is to be consistent. There will be times where things don't go as planned. Do not try to be perfect. Consistency is what matters most. Life happens, so it's best to be flexible and adjust your study schedule accordingly. One way I do this is by using a sticky note. I write all the things I want to accomplish that day. Then I rank them by due date. This allows me to focus first on the classes that need my attention urgently. So, to recap quickly, you should have a general plan of when you will be studying and working on assignments. Stick to this plan the best you can and adjust as needed. If you found this study tip helpful, give us a like, leave a comment, share with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.